Food is a universal language, yet it often carries nuances and flavors that elude direct translation. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to explore untranslatable flavors, foods with no English equivalent. Join us as we delve into the rich tapestry of global cuisines, uncovering unique ingredients and dishes that tantalize the palate but resist precise English descriptions. From the savory to the sweet, the familiar to the exotic, certain foods encapsulate experiences and emotions that words alone cannot convey. We will examine several ingredients, their cultural significance, and their distinctive flavor profiles, showcasing the beauty of diversity in our culinary world. Number 1. Umami and katsuobushi. Our first untranslatable flavor comes from Japan, katsuobushi. This ingredient, made from fermented, smoked, and dried bonito fish, is the cornerstone of umami, the fifth taste sensation that eludes simple categorization. Its flavor profile is complex, a rich, smoky depth combined with a subtle oceanic sweetness that often reminds one of a gentle breeze over a tranquil sea. In culinary traditions, katsuobushi imparts a depth of flavor that enhances soups, broths, and even rice dishes. However, there is no single word in English that encompasses the sheer essence of this ingredient. Instead, it invites one to experience its multifaceted nature, a taste that can evoke nostalgia, warmth, and comfort. Number 2. The allure of sambal. Next, we turn our attention to sambal, a fiery chili paste that is an indispensable part of Southeast Asian cuisine. Originating from Indonesia, sambal is not merely a condiment, it is a culinary experience that varies widely across regions, each version boasting its own unique combination of ingredients such as shrimp paste, lime, and sugar. The flavor profile of sambal ranges from fiery heat to a gentle, sweet undertone, often accompanied by a savory depth that can only be appreciated through tasting. While we can describe it as spicy, the layers of flavor are far more complex than the English language allows us to articulate. To truly understand sambal is to embrace its cultural significance and the stories it tells through every bite. Number 3. Chaat masala, a symphony of spices. Our journey continues to India, where we encounter chaat masala. This vibrant spice blend is a quintessential component in Indian street food, renowned for its ability to elevate even the simplest of dishes. Composed of an array of spices such as cumin, coriander, and black salt, chaat masala offers a delightful interplay of flavors, tangy, spicy, and slightly sweet. The unique flavor profile of chaat masala brings dishes to life, creating a sensation that dances on the palate. In English, we might describe it as spicy or tangy, but these terms barely scratch the surface of its complexity. This spice blend is an embodiment of Indian culture, a reflection of its diversity and the essence of communal dining. Number 4. Ajvar, the Balkan treasure. Venturing into the Balkans, we discover ajvar, a roasted red pepper and eggplant spread that captivates with its smoky sweetness and rich, velvety texture. Traditionally prepared in the late summer months, ajvar is a staple on Balkan tables, often served as a condiment or a side dish. The flavor profile of ajvar exemplifies a harmonious balance of sweetness and smokiness, often elevated with a hint of garlic. While one might describe it as peppery, the experience of savoring ajvar is far richer than mere words can convey. It is a symbol of togetherness, a cherished recipe passed down through generations, encapsulating the heart and soul of Balkan hospitality. Number 5. Sriracha, and its variations. Lastly, we explore the beloved sriracha, a hot sauce from Thailand. While sriracha has gained immense popularity worldwide, its unique flavor profile, combining heat, sweetness, and a hint of garlic, eludes a precise English equivalent. The taste of sriracha is often described as spicy or tangy, yet these words fail to encapsulate its full character. It is an ingredient that evokes passion and creativity, finding its way into countless dishes, from traditional Thai cuisine to modern fusion foods. As we conclude our exploration of untranslatable flavors, we are reminded that food is more than sustenance. It reflects culture, history, and shared experiences. The ingredients we discussed today, katsuobushi, sambal, chaat masala, ajvar, and sriracha. Each carries stories and emotions that transcend words. So, the next time you encounter a dish with no direct English translation, take a moment to savor it, to appreciate its complexity, and to embrace the cultural richness it represents. After all, in the world of food, sometimes the flavors speak louder than words ever could. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on your favorite untranslatable flavors in the comments below. Until next time, happy tasting.